right over there. But it was stuck. Oh wow, I see another train. There's two of them. This one is to Fox Chase. Mom, that was the Fox Chase. Oh wow, another train again. Mom, do you hear me? I said I saw another train again. There were three of them. It just left from 30th Street. And guess what? When I was on my reaching the rail train this morning, it was packed. Yup. Mom, it looks like that's an express train. Mom, it's a green light. What's going on? Why are we not on the move? God. Mom, we will never make it now. We got our hurt. But that was too late.
Look at the lights on the building. That's cool.
You saw this one, the green thing building?
Yeah, that's nice. Yeah, that's nice.
Mom, and guess what? It was not a lot of people on my L train this morning at all.
No, it's very early.
Yeah, very early in the morning. I'm glad.
That's what I used to go to work. It used to be like that when I go, but then it started getting crowded.
Oh well, look, another train again. No, actually, that's probably the same train. I'm sorry, that was the same train like we saw.
Yeah, it used to be crowded in the mornings where I used to take Septa that early.
What? The regional rail?
No, the bus.
Oh.
I mean the L. What was empty? The L or the regional L?
The L.
Yeah, not mine. I used to go every day.
Yeah.
Kind of crowded. Start getting crowded. You know.
And sometimes the platform at 69th Street, it can be crowded too. Where by the time I get down there.
Oh wow! Look, something happened.
What?
It all backed up. Yup, it all backed up.
Uh-oh.
Oh no.
Uh-oh.
Did I ever tell you that I had got off at, I don't know, I think I was so tired one day. I got off at 34th Street instead of 30th Street going to work.
But what's going on? Like,
I was like, oh my God, I don't know. I think I was doing something. Reading the Metro or something.
Mom.
And I thought I was at 30th Street. I was at 34th and got off.